Welcome to Mama Kids!
Welcome to the Magic Dinosaur Egg Factory!
Magic eggs are rolling by, shiny eggs stacked up high. Look at all these colorful eggs! Red and yellow, green and blue. Which one will hatch for you? What color is this egg? Red, red egg, so bright, glowing, glowing light. Red, red dinosaur, stomp, stomp, roar. Can you stomp like a T-Rex? Stomp your feet, 1, 2, 3. Stomp like a dino with me.
Great stomping!
Red, red dinosaur, stomp, stomp, roar. Clap and stomp once more.
Here comes a yellow egg.
Yellow, yellow, shiny, bright, like the sun with happy luck.
Yellow dino, spin around, twirl your feet on the ground. Let's spin together, spin, spin, don't fall down. Twirl and twirl all around.
Right!
Yellow, yellow dino, bright, shining sunshine light.
With happy luck.
Egg is here!
Blue, blue egg, so cool, like water in a pool.
It's a blue dinosaur!
Blue, blue, splash, splash, splash. Jump in water, dash, dash, dash.
Can you swim like this?
Swim your arms left and right, splashing in the blue so bright.
Splash again! Blue, blue, splash, splash, splash! Color is this?
Green, green egg in the trees, swaying softly in the
It's a green dinosaur. Green, green dino, hide. Where did he go? Hide and seek. 1, 2, 3. Can you found you? Green, green dino, hide. Peekaboo, surprise inside.
A purple egg is glowing!
purple, purple, shining bright.
It's a dancing dino. Purple dino, twist and turn.
Dance with the dino. Clap, clap, spin around. Purple, purple, twirl and spin. Great dancing.
Sing!
Orange, orange, bright and fun. It's an orange dinosaur. Orange dino, jump with me. Jump, jump, 1, 2, 3. Higher. Orange, orange, jump so high. Wiggle, wiggle, shake, shake, shake. Is the little dino awake? What's inside this magic egg? Golden, golden, shiny, bright, bright.
All the dinos are back!
Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, dancing too.
Wow!
A rainbow dinosaur. Friends, click subscribe for more fun.